In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Serato drivers on Mac. So let's get started. Now, Serato no longer uses separate drivers like before. The drivers are included inside the Serato Digi Pro and the Serato Digi Lite app. So you do not need to download drivers separately anymore. So our first step is to download one of these apps. Now the Serato Digi Pro is paid, so I'm just going to go for the Lite version. So just go ahead and sign in onto the website and just download the installation file. Now I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it. Oh, it's in the bin. Let me just bring it back. So just put it back, downloads, and let me open that. Okay, perfect. Now you're gonna follow these on-screen steps, so like continue, agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can see that it is gonna take like 2.5 GB space on your computer. Now, once all that is done and you've successfully installed it, then this is where the main part comes in. Now, you're gonna take your DJ controller and plug it to your computer via USB. And then you're gonna open the Serato app once you've downloaded. So you can just go to your launchpad and search up Serato, and then you should open it. Now this is where the main part comes in. Now you have to go to your system settings, and you have to go to privacy and security. And from here you're gonna scroll down all the way till under the security option. Now here you're going to see something like system software from developer Serato audio research was blocked. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on allow somewhere here, and then you have to restart your Mac if asked. Now this step is required for drivers to work, and this is the most common issue, it doesn't work. So make sure that you do this step. Then you also have to check the audio permissions. So right under in this section, you're gonna click on microphones and make sure that your Serato app is here, and just give it the permission by just clicking on the slider and turning it on. Then you have to restart everything. So restart your Mac, then open Serato again, and your controller should now be detected, and you're gonna see all the necessary drivers on the app, and you don't have to download anything externally. So yeah, that's a good thing. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.